So, everyone's got one of these. We all grew up with these in high school, and everyone wants to know how to... You can shim it easily, sure. You can decode it easily, sure. But I want to pick it. Why not? Alright, so we're going to mount it. I think that's supposed to be the combo there, but I can't get it to work. So you flip it over so you can see the lock. It's tiny, by the way. Here's a different master. We'll put it right beside it. It's itty bitty. Okay, put that one back away. So, you need a teeny tiny tension wrench. And I'm using a slimline Peterson half diamond. Get it all the way in there, and then I'm going to add a little bit of tension. I think I'm not going all the way back. Or actually, let's try there. My tension wrench was restricting movement of my pick. There, much better. Zoom out. I'll show you what happens. It just forcefully pulls that back. Instead of putting in the combo, the lever does it. It's locked back. There you go. If you notice, it's mounted upside down because when you have it latched into your locker, the only thing they can do is flip it over and then insert the key. Anyway, that's that picked.